Welcome to Andreas Ice Cream Shop, where I need your help in determining how much money I can make in profits, looking at linear graphs and equations to help determine that. We have many different flavors at our ice cream parlor, like chocolate, vanilla, strawberry, cookie dough, peach, and lots more to choose from. Each ice cream costs $3 each, and we can represent this as a linear function, y equals 3x, where x is the number of cones that are sold and y is the amount of money that will be made. A linear function can be written in different forms, but we try to use the slope-intercept form, which is denoted as y equals mx plus b. The variable, or letter, m, stands for slope, or the rate of change, and b stands for the y-intercept. We will now take a look at a graph of our linear function y equals 3x, relating to the sales on ice cream cones. Looking at the graph of y equals 3x, you can observe that the slope is 3 indeed. This means for every ice cream sold, our sales will increase by $3. The y-intercept, where the graph touches the y-axis, in this case it's at the origin. So if 0 ice creams are bought, you will have $0 in sales. If you wanted to determine the amount of sales if 2 ice creams sold, you would have $6 in profit. The way to determine this is going onto the x-axis at x equals 2, and then finding the y-coordinate of 6. This means that $6 will be your profit if 2 ice creams are sold. This here is an example of an XY table, which contains coordinates, or ordered pairs. You can also make a chart with the graph we had of y equals 3x. Using the data table, you can look up your x values, which is the number of ice creams you sell, and looking at their corresponding y values, which is how much profit you will make. It is the same data as we saw on the graph, it's just presented in a different way. This is why it is important to know how to read graphs and data tables to help make your business prosper. Thanks for joining me, learning about linear functions, slope, y-intercepts, how to graph, and why graphs and tables help people in everyday life. Next time, we'll be talking about linear functions again, but how to write the equation of a line. Thanks for joining me.